Hey guys, we received this the polka dots room light floral bed sheets for test and try. So this one, you can see a really nice vibrant colors, and this comes with a fitted sheet, normal bed sheet, two pillowcases. So this is a soft material as I can feel it here, and this is set for the king size bed. As you can see, the color and the print is really nice. So this is the fitted sheet with the elastic band. So this can hold well on the mattress and then a sheet and the pillowcase. From this looks is really nice and then also feel good. As you can see the soft thing and the print material. So after putting on the bed, so it will take some time, but because of the packaging thing. But here still you can see a nice print and then the fitted sheet that goes really nice on the mattress and holds well. So this will not come up. And then this is here. The good way is just to iron one, but the print and everything looks really good.